said, baby, I'm afraid to fall in love. So what if it's not reciprocated? I told her don't rush, girl, don't you rush. Guess it's all a game of patience. She said, what if I dive deep? Will you come in after me? Would you share your flaws with me? No. I told her thinking is I'm wrong. Love will happen when it wants. I know it hurts sometimes, but don't let it go. She said